Thermostat software glitches. Thermostats are essential for maintaining home temperatures. Robertshaw thermostats can face software glitches. These glitches can disrupt normal function. Below, learn how to fix these issues. Resetting the thermostat. Resetting the thermostat can fix many software glitches. Follow these steps. 1. Turn off the thermostat. 2. Remove the cover to find the reset button. 3. Press and hold the reset button for 5 seconds. 4. Release the button and wait for the system to restart. This method clears minor software problems. Resetting helps the thermostat work like new. Updating firmware. Updating the firmware can solve persistent software glitches. Follow these steps. 1. Check the current firmware version on your thermostat screen. 2. Visit the Robertshaw website for updates. 3. Download the latest firmware to a USB drive. 4. Insert the USB drive into the thermostat's USB port. 5. Follow on-screen instructions to complete the update. Updating the firmware improves functionality. It also adds new features and fixes bugs.
If you want to know more details, then you can visit HelloTroubleshooting.com.